Hi everyone, I'm Hitesh Panjwani. I'm technical head at Hytron Components, and today I'll tell you about Smart Waste Management System, which is a very good application of Internet of Things. So here in this particular demo, what I'm going to show you that these are my IR sensors which are getting information of the garbage um, from a needle spin, and that garbage value will be collected with the help of this sensor, and that information we will be passing to our Raspberry Pi, which is acting as a gateway here, right? So what this Raspberry Pi is doing, this Raspberry Pi will uh, push this data, which is sensors data, onto the internet with the help of this Wi-Fi dongle. So what all I'll be doing right now here, I'll be running my script on my Raspberry Pi first, so which I have opened here right now. Fine. So what I'll do, I'll run this script. First of all, let me go through this script step by step. So what I have done, I have imported all my this GPIO libraries here. Then after that, basically what we are doing here in our project, we are using MQTT protocol. Fine. So for MQTT, I have imported this PAHO MQTT published library here, right? You can see here. So like I have 6 sensors, so I have defined here 6 sensors. Sensor 2, like pin GPIO pin 2, 10, 4, 17, 27, 7 and 22. So all these pins we are using for the sensors. Fine. And after that, what we are doing, we are checking the data whether my input this sensor value is 1 or not. If it is 1, then again it is checking whether the another sensor value is 0 or not. So after that, this value we are publishing on my particular host, which is my server, which is nothing but 54, 238, 179 and 124. So this is the server where we are pushing this sensor information with the help of this Raspberry Pi. Fine. So here I am pushing this data, and from here only we'll be retrieving this information from here, this front end. Okay, so let me run this script, Raspberry Pi script. Then finally, so likewise what we have done, all these sensors we have initialized here, and we are pushing all sensor information on this specific IP, right? And from here I am going to run this. Okay, so it has been it has been executed, and here I can see that all these sensors are at 0 state. So it is showing me all dustbins are empty. So as I push like if I am enabling or like putting my hand in front of this sensor, so it is giving me an information, but it is locally, you can say, like 20% filled. And if I am making high this second sensor, so it is 50% high. And likewise, if I am actuating all the sensors in one row, so it is showing me 100% filled. Now the task is, I want to see this data over internet, right? So any like the Internet of Thing is that you must be, or I don't know like what Internet of Thing you might be knowing, that it is nothing but to watch or to monitor all the sensor information, real devices information on the internet. Okay, so we will try to perform this task now. Once we have published this data onto the server like this, now from the front end we are going to monitor this information. So let's come to the web page. So here you can see this like good looking UI we have created here. You can see this smart you can see like this is a page of smart waste management. So what I am going to do, I'm going to first, let me refresh it. Okay, so I have refreshed it, and after that I have to click onto the connect button, but it is showing me connection lost. So what I need to see, after this it is showing me connected. Maybe my server like would be on downstairs. So after this, if I put my hand here in front of my sensor, I'll get this data on my front end, that 20% filled. So this is the information about the dry garbage. Like this, if I put all my sensor high, and this information I can see on my front end as well. So 100% dry dustbin is filled, and like this, if I hide this wet dustbin, so it will also update me this information on my front end. Okay, thank you so much. So this is it. Thank you so much, guys.